Hey there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks on how to grow your nails naturally. If you're someone who struggles with brittle, weak, or slow-growing nails, then keep watching as I'll be sharing some simple yet effective ways to help you achieve stronger and longer nails. Before we continue, let me ask a question. Why do we struggle with brittle and weak, slow nails? There are several reasons why people may struggle with brittle, weak, and slow-growing nails. Here are a few common factors. 1. Nutritional deficiencies, a lack of essential vitamins and minerals, such as biotin, zinc, iron, and vitamin E, can lead to weak and brittle nails. It's important to ensure you are consuming a well-balanced diet to provide your body with the necessary nutrients for healthy nail growth. 2. Age. As we age, our nails tend to become thinner and more brittle due to a decrease in natural oils and moisture in the nail bed. 3. Environmental factors. Exposure to harsh chemicals such as detergents, cleaning agents, and acetone-based nail polish removers can weaken and dry out the nails, leading to breakage and brittleness. 4. Medical conditions. Certain medical conditions such as hypothyroidism, anemia, and psoriasis can impact nail health and lead to slow growth and weakness. 5. Genetics. Some people may be genetically predisposed to having weaker nails due to the natural thickness and strength of their nails. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are some best tips on how to grow stronger, beauty and healthy nails in weeks. Tip number 1. Keep your nails moisturized. One of the most important things you can do to grow your nails naturally is to keep them moisturized. Apply a nourishing cuticle oil or a hand cream with natural ingredients such as jojoba oil or vitamin E daily. This will help to prevent breakage and brittleness, which can cause your nails to split and crack. Tip number 2. Maintain a healthy diet. Your diet plays a crucial role in your nail health. Make sure to consume foods that are rich in biotin, such as eggs, almonds, and spinach, as this nutrient helps to strengthen nails and promote growth. Additionally, foods high in zinc, such as oysters, nuts, and seeds, can help to keep your nails healthy and strong. Tip number 3. Avoid harsh chemicals. If you're trying to grow your nails naturally, it's important to avoid harsh chemicals such as acetone-based nail polish removers, which can cause your nails to dry out and become brittle. Instead, opt for a natural nail polish remover or a non-acetone-based formula. Tip number 4. File your nails regularly. Filing your nails regularly can help to prevent breakage and promote healthy growth. Use a fine grit nail file to gently shape your nails and avoid using rough emery boards, which can cause damage. Tip number 5. Be patient. Finally, be patient. Growing your nails naturally takes time and consistency. Remember to take good care of your nails by following the tips I've shared, and with time, you'll start to notice healthier, stronger, and longer nails. Hey, friends, thumbs up will never give you important information without providing great natural foods that work like magic. There are several foods that are rich in vitamins and minerals that can help promote healthy nail growth. Here are some natural foods for long nails. 1. Eggs. Eggs are a good source of biotin, a B vitamin that promotes nail health and growth. 2. Almonds. Almonds are high in vitamin E, which helps to moisturize and nourish the nails. 3. Spinach. Spinach is a good source of iron and vitamin A, both of which are essential for healthy nail growth. 4. Potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a great source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, promoting strong and healthy nails. 5. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help to strengthen the nails and prevent brittleness. 6. Avocado. Avocado is high in biotin and vitamin E, both of which are essential for healthy nail growth. 7. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of zinc, which helps to strengthen the nails and prevent brittleness. 8. Beans. Beans are high in protein and biotin, both of which are essential for healthy nail growth. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help to provide your body with the necessary vitamins and minerals to promote healthy and long nails. It's important to maintain a well-balanced diet and consume a variety of foods to ensure you are getting all the nutrients you need for healthy nail growth. So there you have it, my top tips for growing nails naturally. Remember, healthy nails start with good nail care habits, and with a little patience and consistency, you can achieve the healthy, strong nails you desire. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.